3 interesting facts about lions. 1. Social structure. Lions are the only truly social big cats, living in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of related females, their offspring, and a small number of males. 2. Roaring power. A lion's roar can be heard from as far as 5 miles away. This powerful roar serves to communicate with other lions, mark territory, and warn intruders. 3. Male lifespan. Male lions have a relatively short lifespan in the wild, typically around 10 to 14 years. This is partly due to the danger of fighting for dominance within the pride. Females tend to live longer, often reaching 15 to 20 years.